The second objective for today is that students will still solve one-step equations using inverse operations. The only difference is it's going to be an IXL assignment. Make sure that you log in to Clever so that when you log into IXL, your name is listed right here. If your name's not there, I will not get the score. Now, so this says 2 equals y minus 7. So I like to switch this around to where it says y minus 7 equals 2. It's not necessary, but I like to do that. So to get rid of minus 7, I'm going to add 7 to both sides. And so these will cancel out. The y drops down, equal sign drops down. 2 plus 7 is 9. And so you'll type in 9 and you'll click submit, and hopefully it'll get you the right answer. You'll continue doing this for all of these. So this one you will subtract 1 from both sides, and you'll find that that answer is going to be 7. Again, you're doing the inverse. In minus 1, so to undo minus 1, we're going to add 1 to both sides. So if I do that, n is going to be equal to 4. But these are really simple. So to get rid of minus 3, I'm going to add 3 to both sides. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now this one says b divided by 3. So to undo this, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. And ultimately, I'm going to get b is equal to 6. And then the same thing here. I'm going to minus 6. Now, one thing you got to be careful with is 1 minus 6 is negative 5. Same thing here. I'm going to minus 9 on both sides. If you're not very good at negatives and stuff, one thing you could do is you could start with negative 6 minus 9. And you'll see that gives you negative 15. And then you'll just type in negative 15. Again, I'm just doing the opposite of plus 9. Again, I like to switch this around to where it says C plus 11. But if I minus 11 on both sides, I'm going to get negative 14. Again, you can use Desmos calculator. Now, this one's kind of a tricky one. So it says negative Q equals 13. Remember that there's a 1 there. And we've got to divide by negative 1 on both sides. And that will give me an answer of these ones will cancel. Q will drop down. Equal sign drops down. 13 divided by negative 1 is negative 13. Again, we're just doing the inverse. So if it says to multiply by negative 1, we're going to divide by negative 1. Do this over and over until you get to an 80% would be an A. Anything higher than that would be extra credit.